All right, welcome back to the second video. This time we're going to talk about the law of demand. Okay, now we're going to break down law of demand into two parts, right? First of all, we look at the so-called there is no such name 冇咁嘅名㗎 the so-called absolute version of the law of demand, and then the next very lengthy video we will be talking about the relative version of the law of demand。OK 好嘛？嗱，所以今次呢條咧簡單嘅，但係下一條片咧就大鑊啦。OK 好嘛？Now let's start with the law of demand, the simple absolute version. Okay. Now you see I say in here, right? The law of demand is the most important law in the whole of economics. Okay, if the law of demand does not hold, then economics will just die. OK，只要 law of demand 咧一唔中，成個 econ 可以收檔噶啦。OK，so this one is the most important single law in economics。OK，好啦，你阿 Sir 講到佢咁勁，咁條 law 講啲咩啊？It's a very simple law, okay? And the beauty is that it is simple, all right? 好啦，成條 law 講咩啊？The law of demand states that the higher the price, the lower the quantity demanded. 其實唔係新嘢嚟㗎，boys. If something is more expensive, would you buy more or buy fewer? Of course you will buy fewer. 貴咗梗係唔買咁多啦，係咪好正常啫嘛？Then we need to learn two Latin phrases. OK，好啦，兩個唔同嘅拉丁文啦。第一個拉丁文 vice versa, which means the opposite is also true。即係咩意思啊？其實啦，the lower the price, the higher the quantity demanded 都 work 嘅。OK，不過唔使再抽多次嘛，係嘛？Vice versa。OK，the second Latin phrase we need to learn is ceteris paribus。OK，或者咧，阿 Sir，我真係好驚串錯，可唔可以唔寫呢個啊？梗係得啦。It means other factors being constant。OK，好啦，有乜嘢 other factors 咧？我哋跳去 C 啦。Other factors, for example, seasonal factors, or another one that is rather easy to understand, income. OK, income. OK, 唔係你 IG 嗰個 income 啊。OK, income. OK, are held constant. Why? Because let's say my income has increased, right? 喂，如果我而家有錢咗啊？Even though things may become more expensive, I will still buy more，係咪啊？貴咗同10年前比啲嘢貴咗，我照買，梗係啦。我10年前都未做嘢，冇錢嘅，而家自己賺錢嘅，有做嘢嘅，係嘛？So even though higher the price, I'm still buying more, right? In that case, okay, when other factors are not held constant, okay, later on we will learn if there is a change in other factors。其他因素變咗咧 then this is a change in demand， 係成條 demand 飛走咗㗎。OK， 得唔得啊？ The law of demand will be inapplicable， 係用唔到啊。OK，because there will be a change in demand, while the law of demand states that under the same demand situation， 喺同一個 demand 嘅 situation under the same demand situation。OK， 得唔得啊？嗱，小心啲啊，呢個好緊要啊！嗱，遲啲再講多啲，好嘛？嗱，let's look at A, B and D。OK，A, B and D。OK， 我第一個啦 ，price， 哎呀，跌咗咪添，翻嚟啦。Price is not limited to money price. OK， 唔係淨係 money price 啊，it means opportunity cost. Okay, so you can also say the higher the cost, the lower the quantity demanded。之前考試咪做過咯，係咪啊？安全帶。Okay, the seat belt has lowered the cost of reckless driving. Now, therefore, the quantity demanded of reckless driving would be higher. 係咪之前咪試過咯？係咪啊？總之個代價少咗，我就會做多咗噶啦，好嘛 ？No need to be money price. It means opportunity cost, time cost, money cost, any cost. OK， 好啦，第二個啦。Change in price is the cause. Change in quantity demanded is the effect. 即係咩意思啊？原來我可以係話 higher the price, lower the QD. Now this is okay， 但係唔可以倒轉嚟講啦。Lower the QD, higher the price. This doesn't hold. 因果關係倒轉咗唔得。The one to change is price, leading to a change in quantity demanded, not because quantity demanded change. 唔可以倒轉嚟行 ，OK？ 一倒轉嚟行就收工噶啦 ，OK？ 一倒轉嚟行就收工噶啦，好嘛？嗱 ，finally， 咁你阿 Sir 幾時先真係 violate 咗啊 ？The law of demand is violated only when increase in price lead to increase in quantity demand. I should say quantity demanded. Okay. When other factors are unchanged， 其他嘢唔變嘅情況之下 ，price 高咗。Quantity demanded 高咗 ，OK, that would be a violation. OK, now luckily so far in our real life it has not happened yet. OK, which let's look at the next example. OK, it says electricity has increased by more than the price. OK, the fee more than 100. OK, throughout these years, right? Price increases. Nevertheless, the usage also increased by more than 400, okay, not thousand, okay, 400% during the period, okay， 咁即係咩意思啊 ？QD 又升，阿 Sir P 升 QD 升 violated, okay， 得唔得？嗱 ，boys be very careful, okay， we need to think about throughout these years, okay, throughout these years. Are there changes in other factors? Of course, okay? So we say law of demand is not violated. 點解啊？ Because there are changes in other factors. 有其他因素變咗嘛？ Now, what are the examples of other factors? Okay? What are the examples? For example, 係咪考試最好寫埋啦？ The factors including income 咁多年嚟啊 ，OK， people have become richer，OK， 有錢咗嘛，係嘛 ？So they want to use more power and they can afford more power，right？ 係咪 ？Income changed，right？ 好啦，第二樣嘢啦 ，technology， 哎呀，串錯啊，哎呀 ，I suck。technology 技術進步咗啊！以前係嘛 ，in the past， nobody uses smartphone or something 係咪？唔使每日叉兩次嘅，而家每日都叉兩次電啦，係嘛 ？So immediately you use more electricity for charging. Now even cars， 我哋連車啊都講緊要叉電啊，係咪啊 ？So the usage of electricity would increase, right？ 好啦，仲有冇多一個啊？有 population 咯。人口咯，多咗咪多咗人用電咯，係嘛？多咗咪多咗用電咯，係咪啊 ？Very simple, right? So these are factors。嗱，好啦，咩叫 other factors 要強調多次啦。OK，these are other factors that are not price nor QD， 唔係價格同埋唔係 QD 以外嘅嘢變咗啊。OK，so these factors, OK, when they changes, OK, when they change, not changes, OK, when they change, then the law of demand would not be applicable because it will not be the same demand anymore. Now, in fact, this is a case increase in demand, not increase in QD or something. Okay, 好嘛? So that would be the absolute version of the law of demand. Now for the next very long video, we will talk about relative version of the law of demand, or what we call the Elchian's generalization. Okay, so I will see you for the next very long video very soon.